What is happening, people? Good morning. Day 73 here in Amazon. Let's go. Before we continue on with this video, I just want to say happy birthday, Migo, from us to you, you know, everywhere. Well, yeah, happy birthday, Migo, once again. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go.
We'll get the troubleshooting team here at the station to take it off your itinerary. Another few things. Time, send me a list of people in these 90 seconds. This is your home office for the day. I want you to do it. Let me know. But meetings are important, especially post-close. You work with security process as well. You work with like the bar, trying to place the bar.
But we've cherry-picked a couple people in the apartments. I got the station to agree to take some packages back. So we
Alrighty, it's 5:22. Did my 238 packages. I'm gonna go rescue and see if I can hit another 300. Gonna try. I'm gonna try. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay with Kiki. We'll do some rescue right now. How you doing, bro? I'll be honest, I haven't been to Salt Lake for a while. It's nice, very nice. Ooh, another beautiful day. I don't know if I made 300 today, but according to dispatch, I did. But yeah, I did a rescue for Keiki. I was up in IF first and then did some rescue in Salt Lake. It's been a while, but yeah, beautiful day today. Let's go. Woo. All right, it's been confirmed. I did hit 300 today again. Yes, sir. I'm gonna try and make that a regular thing. Yeah, right, if it's possible. But it's the end of the day. You guys have a good night. Shoot. All right. Heading home. Just want to give a birthday shout out to Migo from Mona. Yes, sir. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to give you a birthday shout out. Mona, thank you. And happy birthday once again, Miko. Hey, let's go.